morning everyone. Good morning everyone. My name is Ayan. Today I am going to explain you about these latitudes and longitudes. First, what are latitudes and longitudes? First, latitudes. Latitudes are horizontal lines between imaginary horizontal lines on the globe. And longitudes. Longitude lines are imaginary lines which are vertical on the globe. And when on the globe, these latitude lines and longitude lines get intersect. So that forms a grid. And why do we need this grid, latitudes and longitudes? Why? Because we can spot countries easily, countries, continents, water bodies, etc. So we can spot anything which is on the earth or on the globe, we can spot it easily. So geographers and cartographers use the thought of to do the latitude lines and longitude lines so that they get intersect and they form a grid. These are the latitudes lines. And why did I take this orange? Why? This is not a globe or something. Why? Because the earth, this is spherical. Okay. The earth is also spherical. And the upper and the bottom space, bottom and upper is flat. It's flat. So the earth also looks like that. These are the imaginary latitudes lines which are on the globe. And these are the longitudes, imaginary longitude lines which are on the globe. And this is a grid. See, the latitude and longitude lines are getting intersect. So a grid is forming, boxes are forming. The approximate distance between the latitude and longitude lines is about 111 kilometers. And when the imaginary latitude and longitude lines are reaching to the South Pole and the North Pole, the line decreases. So now observe this longitude imaginary lines. See this line. This thing is going from upper. It's coming to the upper. So upper space. So it's getting decreased. It fully got decreased. These grid coordinates. These are grid coordinates. And for example, the Indian coordinates 20.593 degrees north and 78962 degrees east. And now we are going to learn about the equator. I have taken a Good Day biscuit. Imagine these are this is the equator. The middle part is the equator. This is the North Pole, Antarctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, equator, and this is the South Pole. This is Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and this is the South Pole. And the Tropic of Cancer comes in 66 degrees and the Antarctic Circle comes in 23 degrees north, and in the down Tropic of Capricorn and Arctic Circle, it is for Tropic of Capricorn is 66 degrees south, and Arctic Circle is 23 degrees south. So why do we need this equator? So that it will divide the North Pole and the South Pole. See, this is the equator, is dividing North Pole and this Tropic of Cancer and Antarctic Circle here, and this is also dividing the South Pole, Tropic of Capricorn and Arctic Circle. And the equator is 0 degrees. and this is for latitudes. And for longitudes, there is a line, vertical imaginary line, which is called the prime meridian. And this equator also passes through many countries. And this prime meridian passes through 3 continents and 13 countries. And this prime meridian imaginary line is also 0 degrees. And this prime meridian line divides west and east and west. And this prime meridian mainly passes through England. It's there, the imaginary line is there in England. And lastly, these are latitudes and longitudes. And let's eat up this good day. Let's eat up this equator and its friends.